Introduction. Truth is a fundamental aspect of human existence. It is the foundation upon which we construct our understanding of reality, ourselves, and others. From philosophical debates to everyday conversations, truth has become an integral part of our shared cultural heritage. However, as we navigate the complexities of life, it becomes increasingly clear that truth is not always a straightforward or absolute concept. In this book, we will embark on a journey to explore the nuances of truth, examining its various facets and aspects. We will delve into the world of philosophy, sociology, psychology, and literature, seeking to understand how truth manifests in different contexts. Through an introspective and analytical approach, we aim to illuminate the intricacies of this multifaceted concept. Part 1: The Nature of Truth. Chapter 1: The Illusion of Objectivity, Understanding the Limits of Truth. Truth is often depicted as an objective reality, a fixed entity that exists independently of individual perspectives. However, this notion raises important questions about the nature of truth. Can we ever truly know something to be absolutely true? Is it possible for multiple individuals to hold different truths? These are fundamental concerns that have puzzled philosophers and scholars for centuries. To better comprehend the complexities of truth, let's explore the concept of objectivity. What does it mean for an idea or statement to be objective? Are they universally accepted truths, or are they subject to personal biases and cultural influences? To delve into these questions, we must first examine the traditional understanding of objectivity. In its purest form, objectivity is often thought of as the ability to perceive and describe phenomena without the distortion of personal feelings or opinions. It suggests a detached perspective, where facts and evidence stand apart from subjective interpretation. Yet, as we scrutinize this ideal, it becomes apparent that achieving true objectivity is fraught with challenges. Human cognition is inherently influenced by a myriad of factors. Our cultural backgrounds, personal experiences, and inherent biases all shape how we perceive and interpret the world. Thus, what we often regard as objective truth may, in fact, be a reflection of a collective consensus shaped by these influences. Consider the example of historical narratives. Events from the past are documented and interpreted through the lenses of those who record them. While one might strive for an unbiased account, the very act of choosing which events to highlight and how to describe them introduces an element of subjectivity. Furthermore, the scientific community, often upheld as the bastion of objectivity, is not immune to these influences. Scientific theories and findings are subject to peer review and consensus, yet they can be swayed by prevailing paradigms or the personal inclinations of researchers. As we ponder the illusion of objectivity, we must also consider the implications of accepting multiple truths. In a pluralistic society, acknowledging diverse perspectives can enrich our understanding of reality. It invites us to engage in dialogue, to question and refine our beliefs, and to appreciate the complexities of human thought. The quest for truth may not be about finding an unassailable objective reality, but rather about embracing the richness of diverse perspectives. By recognizing the limits of objectivity, we open ourselves to a more nuanced and empathetic understanding of the world, one that honors the varied ways in which truth can be experienced and expressed. This exploration of objectivity, therefore, challenges us to rethink the very foundations of how we define and pursue truth. It encourages a shift from seeking absolute certainties to fostering a culture of curiosity and open-mindedness. In doing so, we can navigate the complexities of truth with a sense of humility and respect for the diverse tapestry of human experience. Ultimately, the illusion of objectivity serves as a reminder of our shared humanity and the intricate ways in which we construct our realities. It underscores the importance of dialogue and the continuous pursuit of knowledge, urging us to remain vigilant in our quest for understanding while acknowledging the inherent limitations of our perspectives.